Yes, friends, here are the angular brushes of Kamal company, and you will see that I am going to unbox four sets of these brushes. Here I am opening the box I have received from Amazon, and here you see it is wrapped like this, and it is very useful. These are very useful for making leaves, flowers. You can give shades very easily. That's why I have purchased it. Here I open it. Now very soon you will see the beautiful brushes. See the nice colors, black and light green. Yes, here are the brush. This is the description about it, and this is the pouch. Very good pouch is there. You see, after washing your brush, you can keep it safe here. And see here, it is in one plastic wrapper, and I am opening it. And here comes my favorite brushes. Though it is synthetic, but it is very smooth and it is angular. You can make flowers, and it is very smooth, and you can make flowers and leaves very easily. So here I have unboxed it for you.